Hi everyone, I'm Martin. We all have an invisible ruler to measure our home value, and this always refer to its location, floor area, and price tag. But we tend to forget to consider the quality of harmonious relationship among our loved ones and the home we are living. And one way to address this is with Feng Shui. Many people are aware, but not keen as they don't believe in Feng Shui. This is understandable as you don't need to believe in Feng Shui as it's neither a religion nor an art of object placement. A famous statesman had once said during an interview with a journalist, and I quote, "I don't believe in horoscope, I don't believe in Feng Shui, and I'm not superstitious about numbers. But if you have a house which other people say this has disadvantage Feng Shui and numbers, so when you buy it, you must consider that when you resell." Sound familiar? So be honest with yourself. If there are two properties located in the same location with the same floor layout, perhaps a similar price tag, and one claims to have better Feng Shui than the other, which one will you choose? I think you have the answer. Here we are talking about classical Feng Shui, and this involves assessing the quality of the energies in the external environment of your home and how you can align your home to this vicinity and benefiting you and your loved ones, supporting the endeavors you desire. Let's go through some examples, shall we? In this example, using Parc Greenwich as an illustration, both 4-bedroom units of the same but flip layout, with Unit A facing the main swimming pool of the development in the north, while Unit B facing the other pool in the south. Although having the presence of water, especially outside your home, is a good feature, and perhaps commanding a higher premium, water located in the right location and at the right time will be a differentiator between the homes. Here, the unit facing water in the north could be a better choice, not because of facing a bigger or larger pool of water, but owing to its timeliness in the current period and beyond 2024, as we are transiting to period 9. On the other hand, using the WaterGarden at Canberra as an illustration, these 4-bedroom units marked in red, having the same layout and size. Their unique difference among them is their distance to the swimming pool at their frontage or facade, and most importantly, their direction to the water. An initial observation shows that although all these units are facing the swimming pool, Unit B could be a better choice among Unit A and Unit C, not only owing to the quality of its immediate frontage, but also the north-facing water, which can be a positive catalyst, especially in period 9, bringing good fortune to the residents for the next 20 years. Besides water in the north, it is also preferred to have water in the southeast, east, and southwest in the coming perhaps 20 years. Saying is easy, and unless you own the land and have the power to decide how your home is to be built, properties, whether it is residential or commercial, low or high rise, are pre-built by the developers. Therefore, you will need more effort to select your dream home, as it's more difficult to align your home to harness the energies in the environment. If you're interested to know more about how to select your dream home or your choice home, you can watch my home selection videos in my YouTube channel. Okay, hope this can actually give you some insights into choosing your next dream home. And if you're currently selecting your dream home, perhaps not in this development, but on other new upcoming residential launches, take note of the earlier mentioned And if you are in doubt, I can share more with you. I hope this short session is able to give you a basic concept about the importance of water location in the vicinity, and more of these will be shared. You can also visit my website for more articles relating to metaphysics and the feng shui consultation services I'm delivering. Check it out. Or perhaps you want to learn and move your feng shui knowledge to the next level, especially focusing on selecting your dream home. You may want to consider my future feng shui classes I'm conducting, so drop me a message. And before you go, give me a like and share it with your friends and to those whom you believe is beneficial to them. Also, hit the subscribe button to get notified when we release more new videos. To then, thanks for watching. I'm Martin Ho, signing out.